No, we're working at Kevin's this morning. What is today? Saturday or Sunday? Saturday. And Kevin has put this bike together. I won't say from pieces, but basically from pieces. He mounted this rear fender. He's mounting the front fender now. Both are brand new. All new handlebars, right?
Handlebars, tack, speedo, I mean everything.
Yeah, basically we've got two new tires, wheels,
everything.
And
of course this front fender wasn't pre-drilled, so.
Yep, so I had to drill all the holes. And I wanted to back in, our client wanted turn signals, so I'm wiring in turn signals. Luckily the wiring is still there from before, so I'm reconnecting the wiring on the turn signals and tail light, and I'll do the front end probably tomorrow because I've got half an hour before I have to leave here. But we're making progress. It's starting to look like a motorcycle.